everybody, it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. Typically, most everything that you see that we have in our garden, we start from seed, but there are a few exceptions to that, and rosemary is actually one of them. And rosemary is something that we prefer to buy as a start, so something that we can get as a transplant. So one of the reasons why we prefer to buy transplants instead of starting them by seed is because it can be really difficult to germinate, and also it can be really time consuming too. So it can take a long time to get a plant of decent size so that you can harvest from if you start it from seed. Which leads me to my next tip is I always like to buy the larger transplants of rosemary because the difference in the price isn't that significant. So for these, for example, this was about a third of the price of this one. So really, that's a huge difference for me and a no-brainer. I'm gonna go with the larger one so I can have a lot more to harvest from a lot faster. And I can also use this new one too to start some new plants by just starting some cuttings over here. So in the long run, I'm actually saving a lot of money. And if you've never grown rosemary before, I highly recommend it. Not only is it beautiful, it smells amazing. I can just smell it by standing right here. It's incredible. And it adds so much flavor also. We like to use this whenever we grill anything, put some rosemary on top of it. Smells and tastes amazing. It is also super healthy for you. A little bit of this will go a long way towards helping you fight a lot of different health conditions. And I will be propagating from this soon, so be watching for a video on how to go about propagating herbs. It's very easy. So that's about it. I just wanted to share a few quick tips on growing some rosemary for you. It's a beautiful day here. I hope that you are enjoying the day also, and I want to get planting.